morning, children. Let me start with a sample of your OMR. You will find all these details pre-printed on the OMR. See your roll number, in figures and words, the day, date, your subject, subject code, your name, all this will be here. Alongside, now this is the space where you have to enter the question paper code as you find on top of your question paper. You will enter the code here in these boxes. आपकी समझ में आया? ये सब जो है इस तरफ सारे जो है प्री प्रिंटेड मतलब पहले से लिखा होगा. यहाँ आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना, लेकिन इस तरफ ये क्वेश्चन पेपर कोड जो है आपको ब्लैक पेन नहीं तो ब्लू बॉल पॉइंट पेन से लिखना पड़ेगा. याद रहे कहीं भी पेंसिल आप इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे. Now let me come to this middle portion, and here you will find 60 questions or 60 responses. क्वेश्चन पेपर में जो है हो सकता है 40 हो सकता है 50 हो, लेकिन no matter how many questions you have on your question paper, you have to answer only those responses. I'll start here. Question number 1. What you will do, suppose on your question paper, once you read question number 1, you find the right response is answer B. You will fully darken this B. ये गोल है ना, ये सर्कल, ये पूरी तरह से आपको डार्कन करना पड़ेगा, या तो ब्लू पेन नहीं तो ब्लैक पेन से. और जो आपका आंसर है ये वाला बॉक्स, ये एस्टेरिक्स के नीचे, ये एस्टेरिक्स आप देख रहे हैं, इस एस्टेरिक्स के नीचे इस बॉक्स में आप B लिखिए. Under the asterisk, children, you will write this response, the correct response, you'll write here B. Now suppose in the next question you have darkened C fully, and after revising you feel that that C was not the right answer, A should be the correct answer, then in this box you must write A. I hope you have got my point. अगर आप C डार्कन करते हैं और बाद में जब रिवाइज करने के बाद आपको लगा ये मुझे चेंज करना है, तो आप कहाँ चेंज करेंगे? इस बॉक्स के अंदर. अगर आपका चॉइस A है तो इस बॉक्स में भी आप A लिखिए. अब तीसरे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आपको लगा कि मुझे आंसर नहीं आता, I am not sure of the answer in the third question. So what are you doing? You're leaving all this blank, and if you're not sure, this hashtag, you see this hashtag symbol? See this hashtag symbol, what I'm talking of? Under this hashtag symbol, question number 3, the answer which you are unsure of, you will darken this circle after the box. Now when you darken this circle, it means that your answer will not be evaluated. आपकी समझ में आया? ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आपको आंसर नहीं आता, ये पूरा आप ब्लैंक छोड़िए, इस बॉक्स में भी आप कुछ नहीं लिखिए, लेकिन ये हैशटैग के नीचे वाला जो सर्कल है वो पूरी तरह से आपको डार्कन करना पड़ेगा. Like that you will have altogether there are 60 such options on your OMR. Your question paper may have 45 questions, or it may have 50 questions. Now what will you do with the rest? What will you do? You will darken all these. You understood, children? the questions that you have not answered, you will darken. Don't leave it like that. आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर में 50 क्वेश्चंस थे, नहीं तो 40 क्वेश्चंस थे, जो भी हो नंबर, बाकी जो आप नहीं लिख रहे हैं, जो नहीं आंसर कर रहे हैं, आपको पूरी तरह से ये डार्कन करना पड़ेगा. पूरी तरह से करिए. कुछ भी सर्कल, कोई भी सर्कल आप छोड़ेंगे नहीं. Don't leave any circle undarkened. If you have darkened, what will your evaluator understand? Your evaluator will understand that these questions are not attempted. So you will circle it fully. This is very important, children. Please understand. Now suppose you don't do it. What will happen? This will be regarded as unfair means. In CBSE, they call it UFM. मतलब ये चारों सर्कल आपने नहीं सर्कल किया, ये बॉक्स भी आपने खाली छोड़ा और ये भी खाली छोड़ा. So this is very wrong. If you are not answering, you must darken this last circle. Now see children, come to the next box. This is a rectangle box that you find here. Using either a blue pen or a black pen, you will write here, I confirm that all particulars given above are correct. ये जो देख रहे हैं ना आप, जो लिखा है वैसा ही आप भी लिखेंगे यहाँ पर इस बॉक्स में. और फिर आपका पूरा सिग्नेचर in running hand. Whatever is your signature, however you sign, it should be in running hand. See, it is mentioned here, candidate signature in running hand. So please make sure that you are writing this. Here children, you can see some different kinds of responses for marking the OMR. The correct method you see here, this is, you have darkened the first circle because this is your correct choice after reading the question, and you have written in the box A. Now you can just see all these different kinds of markings. Ticks there, half a circle there, a cross here. You will not do any of these. ये सब गलत है. यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई भी मार्किंग अपने OMR में आप नहीं करिए. पूरा जो भी आंसर है आपको फुली डार्कन करना पड़ेगा, और वही जो सर्कल डार्कन किया वो आंसर यहाँ पे लिखे. नहीं तो जो भी हो, सी यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में देखिए, सर्कल किया हुआ है फर्स्ट, दैट इज ए, लेकिन आपको लगा बाद में कि आंसर बी है, तो यहाँ बी लिखिए. सो द आंसर विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज बी. दिस इज हाउ योर evaluation will be. Answer will be considered as B. Now come to this children, 17 and 18. These are important. You see this? All the circles are left blank. The square, the rectangle box is left blank. The circle under the hashtag is also left blank. So what does it mean? These responses will fall under UFM. What is UFM? Unfair means. So please do not do this. Be very careful and warned. You will not leave all this blank. If you are not answering, you are unsure of your answer, you will come to this circle. See the circle? You have left all this blank, and you are not sure or you do not know the answer, so you have darkened this. This is correct. So your question will be considered as not attempted. So I hope I have made myself very clear to all of you. अगर ये सारे सर्कल्स आप खाली रख रहे हैं, मतलब आपको आंसर नहीं आता, तो ये लास्ट जो सर्कल है इसको पूरी तरह से आप डार्कन कीजिए. Here children, your examination timing, this is Kuwait, 7:15 AM to 8 AM is when you can enter the school campus. Into the examination room from 8 AM to 8:15 AM. Your assistant superintendent in the examination room or your AS will be checking your admit cards from 8:15 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. So make sure that you have entered the examination room well before 8:15 a.m. You will hear a few announcements to make sure that you have occupied the correct seat that is meant only for you, that you have written the question paper code which I talked about a little earlier, and you do not carry any barred items. No cheating, no books, no notebooks, no mobile phone here to school. Your reading time is 8:40 to 9 a.m., 20 minutes. And your exam will start at 9 o'clock sharp. Your writing time or your response marking time is from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., 1.5 hours. So your term 1 examination will last from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. This is Kuwait time that I'm talking about. 9 से 10:30 बजे तक यहाँ राइटिंग टाइम है एग्जाम के लिए। 20 मिनट क्वेश्चन पेपर पढ़ने को मिलेगा 8:40 से 9 बजे तक, और आप यहाँ 8 बजे से 8:15 बजे तक आप एग्जाम हॉल में आ सकते हैं। 8:15 से 8:30 बजे तक आपके एडमिट कार्ड्स या हॉल टिकट क्लास में चेकिंग करेंगे।